Hey everyone, in this video we're going to discuss getting your OpenAI API key, how to check the assistance and the usage on your API key. So let's get started. First you're going to need to go to platform.openai. I will put a link in the description for you. When you pull it up, you should just be able to sign in and it'll take you to the chat playground. If you don't have a project created, you want to create a new project. It is simple as giving it a name and hitting create. So you would hit create and it will generate you a new project. I already have my project created. So the first thing we want to do is go all the way down to the bottom right here and do API keys. Once you click API keys, you can go up here to create a new secret key. Always like to give mine a name, so we'll call this YouTube video. Make sure it's on your project and permissions for all. If you need to restrict or read-only permissions, then do that, but for what we're going to use it for, I want it to have all permissions. It's going to give you your secret key, which is right there. We'll go ahead and copy that. Now what I like to do for all my API keys is I create a Google Sheet, name it API keys platform. So this would be OpenAI. The name, so if you naming them like you should be, just in case you have a couple on there. So this would be YouTube video, so we know which one it is. And that was a secret key, so we paste our secret key right there. So normally I put an X at the end just so this doesn't go all the way across. It mainly helps in videos. So if I have a bunch of different keys in there, everybody in the world can't see them. So there is no public key with OpenAPI. So that's how we make it. Now this one right here has already been up and running, so let's go check the usage on it. So here's my daily spend. So it breaks it down based on GTP4o. So depending upon what model you're using and what images, if you're generating images with it, which we'll get further into this once we start making AI bots for you to use. So here's my daily usage for this month. Not very expensive. My current limit is $120. Basically, as you get bigger and bigger, it just keeps auto upgrading, so there's no reason to worry about your limit. I've only used 4% of my limit this month, so not a whole lot, not that bad. The other area in here that you're going to want to know is the assistance tab right here. On this assistance tab is where we'll make different assistants to help make life a little easier. So you can name them, add instructions, models, file searcher so you can upload files, JSONs, code interpreters, functions. I normally leave temperature and top P and make sure it's on the latest. But we'll get into this in further videos. Other than that, the API key is set up and usage. So it's pretty simple to get your API key. Make sure you store it somewhere safe like this. And that's it. Y'all have an excellent day. See you in the next video.